Let's say we have a method that expects a regular Java array. We cannot pass a linked list with that method. So let's add a new method here and convert this list to a regular Java array. It's very easy. Public int array, we call it toArray. Now here first we need to create a regular Java array. So int array, we call it array and initialize it like this. Here we can reuse our size field. So look, this is very useful. Now, we need to traverse this list. As we discover each node, we'll add it to this array. That is very easy. So we set current to the first node. Now, as long as current is not null, in each iteration, we're going to add the current node to our array. So we need another variable for keeping track of the index. Let's set that to 0. Now we set array of index to current dot value. Now at this point, we need to increment the index by 1. But as I showed you earlier, we can do this over here. That makes our code cleaner. And finally, we need to set current to reference the next node. That's pretty much it. And at the end, once we're done, we return this array. Now let's test this. So back to our main class, we have a linked list with 3 items. Let's convert this to a regular array and store the result in this variable. Now we can use arrays.toString to convert this array to a string and finally print it on the console. So print, and then we move this over here, right? Let's run the program and see what we get. There you go.